everybody's looking to try and get their hands on some of the Sonic airdrop that's coming. It's over 200 million or up to 200 million of S tokens are going to be airdropped. This is based on points, and pretty much what I'm going to show you how to do is how to get some of these points without it really costing you a penny. Again, provided you have S token. So just before we jump into that, this is my Discord group. I'm only after kind of launching it off and stuff like that. If you're interested in getting involved or joining, let me know in the comments. I'm not providing a link anywhere else other than the comments. So comment that you'd like to get involved. Anything else you want to share. But as I said, I'm trying to keep it small. I don't want it full of bots and people that are just going to look for free stuff and things like that. I'm looking to build up a strong community here. In with that in mind, what I've done is I've also recently just changed some things around. So you can see here on my channel is here. So you can see obviously this is the old version, rebranded and now to something a bit different. Key here is I want to try and get a bit more of a connection with everyone through it, and hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what we're trying to do here with the channel and what we're trying to build out. So again, big change from that, as you've briefly seen there. Also changed my Twitter or X account, so the profile image will obviously change every often, but the general theme of it is going to stay the same. So again, if you're interested in getting involved, let me know. So I recently posted this on X and again in my Discord here. So the process is simple and straightforward. So you as the user is up here in gold, deposit your S tokens in a style of finance, borrowing and lending happening, setting up your LP, SwapX, with your rewards, you're trading them for S and you're repeating this cycle. And the key thing here, what I want to do is, suppose when you get to this point, you have the option of either keeping your SwapX token or um, trading it for the S token. What I'm wanting to do is earn our points, but also be in a position that we earn some sort of liquid asset that we can actually do and is growing our bag and growing our portfolio. And that's the key here, because there's some scenarios you could be stuck in a position earning points, but your bag is kind of that's it. All it's doing is earning points. So we want to be able to earn some sort of liquid yield taken from there. So again, it's only 16%. This can be probably upped through a few different other strategies and stuff like that. But again, what I'm doing is trying to keep it super simple. So what I'm going to do is quickly guide you through the process. We jump over here. This is where I'm talking about. So we deposit our S token into Silo Finance, which is here. We're getting 4.2%. So you can see the breakdown of it. We're getting 8x or Sonic points and 2 Silo points per day. From there, we're going to borrow. We're going to borrow at 3.8% APR, and we're getting obviously half a Silo point per day. So straight away, we're getting some of this points, and you get activity points and things like that for using Silo Finance. And Silo Finance are one of the biggest providers of our awarded the gems from Sonic Labs. So again, I think it's something like 40 something percent of gems will go to users of Silo Finance, and that'll be obviously converted into Silo points and stuff like that. So now it gives you an idea of what your proportion will be for. So we grab our STS token. So again, this is a liquid version of S, which is provided by Beats. Again, you know, they've been long around in Phantom space and obviously now in Sonic and are doing an excellent job. So with that, we jump on over here to SwapX, and we end up over here in SwapX. You have your pools, a variety of different pools to pick from. What we're wanting to do is focus on STS. Now, a lot of nice APRs here to have, but what we're focusing on is this one here, WS STS position. Why is because we do not want impermanent loss to happen to us. We're wanting to earn yield, not wanting to risk the impermanent loss. If we get into this position here, get a higher yield. However, impermanent loss is going to happen to us, and we don't want that because we want to be able to repay our loan back from Silo Finance quickly if we want to, and that's key. So when you're depositing into this position, what you need to do is you need to make sure obviously you have the STS token. So again, we're getting 15% here. If you went in with just Sonic or Wrap Sonic, you're only getting 10%. So that's something to bear in mind. But we're already 15.5, and this has changed up to 16 or 17%, which puts the total strategy up to 17 or up to 19, 20%, give or take. So you can see then also here we're getting points. So I think this one, so you're getting activity points of 8x for using STS, and you're getting gems from, and again, these are gems that are designated to SwapX based on the airdrop allocation as well, the protocols get, which is the gems, and all gems are being distributed to users. So again, we jump over here, you can quickly see my positions, and you can see this position I'm actually in. and I only got into it I think yesterday. It's only 45 cents, small amount of money, but the thing about it is a liquid asset. So now almost straight away I can, it's almost one S token that I've earned in the day, and as I said, that's, I'm happy with that. Bag would have been just earning sitting there anyway, not earning at this moment in time. So you can see 45 cent worth of SwapX, and I've also earned 5 cent worth of the gems. So again, these, I keep claiming these, won't do anything to them. Just keep building them and building them and building them and see what this is eventually worth. See here, even your gateway to securing your share to 190 million S official airdrop again. So we have potential here to earn two ways from our initial Sonic points. See up here on the screen that this wallet has, and also potential from the Sonic gem, from gems. So again, double our earnings, and that's the key here. So look, as I said, it's simple and straightforward process. Not much to it. Again, if you're looking to learn more, let me know in the comments. You get into the Discord, ask questions, stuff like that. But as I said, the key here is keeping it simple and earning as maximum as we can. So look, I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.